So Sunday we're gonna have Santa Fe chicken with rice, macaroni and cheese with Polish sausage and applesauce on Monday. Tuesday is a taco salad. Wednesday we're just doing sandwiches. Thursday is leftovers. Friday is TV, frozen dinners. Saturday I'm gonna be going shopping again, but we'll probably just do leftovers or something. And tonight we are having the frozen pizzas that I had picked up because I just do easy stuff on the days that I go shopping.
To start off, I got 2 packs of these home-style waffles from Walmart. They were $1 each, so I decided to try them and see how the kids like them. I also got a pack of Doritos to go on taco salads on Tuesday, a pack of chicken nuggets for lunches for the kids, and occasionally me and Nate if we have nothing else to eat. 3 bags of broccoli. I like getting broccoli from Walmart as opposed to Aldi because it's just a little better quality. I also got 2 containers of mini corn dogs for lunches for the children. And then I got a beef and then a chicken, just little TV dinners for me and Nate one night for dinner. I think that was Salisbury steak. I got Tostino's pizza rolls. Nate enjoys these for his breakfasts or lunches, like right before he leaves for work. And a pack of donuts. I don't always get these, but they're so good when I do. So for school, I got 2 different types of markers, just the regular thick ones and the small ones. I got a small pack of pencils and then 2 of the thicker Dixon Ticonderoga pencils. I got some little page markers for our school books and then a better sharpener than the one that I had. I also got 2 packs of crayons for the kids. And then this was just like a little pop-it thing for my phone. Mine broke and I needed a new one. And then a container just to keep all our school stuff in. I do homeschool the kids, which is why I got all that extra stuff. From Aldi, I got our typical pizza and breadsticks. I also got just 1 pack of chicken because we didn't have a lot this week that needed chicken, and I had some in the freezer. I got 2 packs of these egg rolls for a snack for myself or for a lunch, a container of grapes for the children, lettuce for salads, 2 containers of strawberries because they were on sale for 99 cents. I also got a thing of cheese for cold cut sandwiches and then a bag of carrots, French vanilla creamer for my coffee in the mornings, cream cheese to go into Santa Fe chicken, and then I got a pack of hot dogs for lunches for the kids and then cheese, a thing of turkey sandwich meat and a container of butter. I've been baking a lot. Rice squares for breakfast cereal for the kids. And then the Rice Krispies are for a granola recipe that I have and I'm going to try. A container of olive oil. And then these are vitamin gummies for the kids. Salsa. I got 2 containers of pineapples. 3 containers of green beans. The third one's around here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. 2 containers each of peaches and mandarin oranges. So I got 2 of those each for lunches for the kids. Shells and cheese macaroni for Polish sausage and macaroni and cheese for a dinner one day. I also got a spray olive oil because I was out. And then vanilla extract because I was out of that as well. Maple and brown sugar oatmeal packs for breakfast for the kids, sour cream and onion chips, tortilla chips for dinner, bread for sandwiches, hot dog buns for chili dogs one day, and then I got these little pretzels for some snacking for myself. Here's the other 2 containers of peaches and oranges. I also got a container of applesauce to go with our macaroni and sausage. And then mini chocolate chips to make cookies with. And then a head of lettuce because I'm planning on eating a lot of salads this week, trying to eat healthier. 2 containers of eggs because like I said, I have been baking a lot, so I went through all of our eggs in a week. and a bunch of bananas for the kids. Apparently this week they don't like bananas. And 4 avocados, because avocados are delicious, and they were like 69 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.